Hello, I'm Milka, law student in Estonia, and today I will talk about the topic which I already talked about, but now I want to explain with an example of one country. Before I start, I want to remind you what are the fundamental human rights. These are the rights such as right to freedom, right to personal security, right to decent living, right to education, and etc. And these are the rights given us just for being a human being. But unfortunately, there are some countries like North Korea, Russia, Venezuela, Myanmar, Saudi Arabia, and etc., which are violating these fundamental human rights. In a variety of areas, Russia has been accused of violating fundamental human rights. The most serious problems are restrictions on freedom of speech, freedom of expression, restrictions on political and civil rights, and human rights violations in conflict areas such as Chechnya. Extrajudicial killing, torture, and human rights violations are recorded in these conflict areas, and government has been failing to investigate and hold accountable these criminals for these actions. When government is failing to protect us, it's human rights violations, not criminals killing people. In recent years, there has been increasing concern in Russia regarding limits on political opposition and civil society. Opposition leaders and activists have been harassed, arrested, and imprisoned. The administration has also been accused of manipulating elections and limiting opposition parties' capacity to engage in political activities. If you follow news from these areas, you might also remember that recently they arrested one more activist from opposition. Unfortunately, there are still more violations happening in Russia, and the international community failed to make any change. Sometimes change must come from country itself and government. These are few examples of human rights that international law recognizes and protects. It is important to point out that situation can change quickly and human rights violations can occur in any country. All governments must maintain and protect fundamental human rights, and when they fail, international community must hold them accountable for that. Let me know what do you think about this topic in the comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you're interested in law. Thank you for watching and see you next time.